Hello, my name's Hayden Schmidt. I'm a technology integration specialist with Alvin Independent School District, and today we are going to take a look at how to install Minecraft Education Edition. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start at my desktop, and from the desktop, I'm going to launch my Chrome browser, which I have pinned down here to my taskbar for easy access. And just to show how you might get to it the first time, I'm going to come out to Google. I'm going to Google Minecraft Education Edition. And as you can see, there are more than a few suggestions from Google, additional searches that are related to Minecraft Education Edition. You might explore any or all of these over time and broaden as much as possible what you are aware of with regard to Minecraft. There is quite a bit of information out there. We're going to go to the Minecraft Education Edition homepage, our number one link here, which is actually located at education.minecraft.net. And so if you want to bookmark this while you're here, I think you'll find this a valuable resource over time if you use Minecraft Education Edition in the classroom. For our installation purposes today, we are going to go over to the Support tab, and we are going to go to Download. We are going to make that selection at Download. And you are going to note that what we have here are immediate suggestions for what's best for the computer that I am at the website with, and it gives me the ability to download a Chromebook or an Apple product if I'm looking at getting those installation files specifically. Now, I would strongly suggest that you just send whoever has a Chromebook or an Apple product and needs to install Minecraft to this website and let them do it themselves, as opposed to downloading and trying to send them an installation file of some sort. If there's a unique circumstance where someone needs that installation file and does not have internet access, it may be a useful ability to be able to come here and download a file and put it on a jump drive and hand it to someone to be able to install if internet access is not available for whatever reason. But generally, I would send people here to do the install themselves. I'm going to go ahead and click Download Now, even though I've already installed on this computer, so that you can see what the process looks like. When I click Download Now, it will bring the installation executable file into my downloads folder. It'll show me that happening in the lower left hand corner, and then when it's done, it will stop the little blue ring pulsing and look like this. I prefer to find those files by visiting the up caret here and saying show in folder, and that will bring me this dialog that is going to show my downloads folder and what has been downloaded most recently. Now, I can click straight on that file and it will open it immediately, but it will not reveal to me the exact location that it was downloaded to. And in some cases, this may vary based on the application. And so an easy way to always find the file that you downloaded is to ask to show in folder. Once you've got the installation file located, all you have to do is double click on it to run it, and the installation program will begin. It's going to take just a minute to get started. And I will see the dialog box open up here. Welcome to the Minecraft Education Setup Wizard. And by saying next and agreeing to a few simple licensing agreements and that kind of thing, I can complete the installation process. Now, I have already installed on this computer, so I'm seeing options to modify, repair, or remove. These options will become available to you once you have done the initial installation, and in case you want to take it off of your computer later, or if it stops working and you need to make a repair, or if you would like to locate it to a new location, a different hard drive, for instance, because of storage concerns, you could modify the locations of the drive. I'm going to go ahead and say cancel at this point because none of these things are going to apply to my installation. Your installation will proceed. Generally, the installation of Minecraft Education Edition will take no more than 2 or 3 minutes. And in some cases, it will need to download and unpack some files that are not located locally on your computer. If it takes a little longer than that, I wouldn't worry too much. If you find it taking, over 30 minutes to do an installation of Minecraft Education Edition, I'm going to suggest that there is something else going on with your PC. And if that happens more than once, you might create a technology ticket, or you might contact me via email or other means in order to be able to get that issue resolved. So I hope that the installation information was useful to you and you find that it goes smoothly. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch this video, and I hope you'll watch some more in the series. Have a great day.